Okay, we're gonna try it again. Oop, went in.
Thank you for calling PSI. Please listen carefully as our menu options
We're
have
3:30
changed.
right now, so
Please
make
press
another
1
attempt
for the
to
CHI,
register
oral,
for the
Spanish, Mandarin, or Arabic
107
exam.
test exam.
Please press 2 for the FAA exams. Please press 3 for all other exams. Thank you for calling PSI. Your call may be recorded for quality and training purposes. We apologize, but all of our representatives are currently assisting other callers.
Wow.
Please remain on the line for the next available representative.
I'm doing a quick video on what it takes to my journey into getting my license.
Thank you for holding. All of our lines remain busy. Please hold for the next available agent. All calls are handled in the order they are received.
It's past. It's past 3:30. They may have a time frame. Hey, bud. What's up, dude?
Thank you for holding. All of our lines remain busy. Please hold for the next available agent. All calls are handled in the order they are received.
What are you doing? How you doing, bud? What are you doing? Look at my boy. Look at the big boy here. Yeah. My man. What are you doing, huh? That's poop. 7-year-old Shih Tzu Bichon. Shih Tzu Bichon.
Thank you for holding. All of our lines remain busy.
Wow.
Please hold for the next available agent. All calls are handled in the order they are received.
Man. Huh.
Thank you for holding. All of our lines remain busy. Please hold for the next available agent. All
Wow.
calls are handled in the order they are received.
Can't believe this. That many people getting ready, wanting to take tests. Wow. Well, I'm going to save video.
Thank you for holding. All of our lines remain busy. Please hold for the next available agent. All calls are handled in the order they are received.
Okay, I'm almost 10 minutes into this call. And I can't believe that there's that many calling to make schedules to take this test. This is incredible. Other than the fact that, you know, it's past 3:30. If it's federal, everybody's gone home by 3:30. Or they've stopped taking calls by 3:30 because they leave at 4.
Thank you for holding. All of our lines remain busy. Please hold for the next available agent. All calls are handled in the order they are received.
9 minutes and 41 seconds. I'm only waiting 10 minutes. Nobody answers in 10 minutes. And try another day. Oh, man.
Thank you for holding. All of our lines remain busy. Please hold. Thank you for calling PSI. My name is Sandra. May I have your name, please?
Yes, Sandra. Dana Crosby. How you doing today?
I'm Fine, how are you?
Oh, can't complain.
How can I help you, sir?
I would like to set up an appointment to take the 107.
Okay, have you ever tested with us before, sir?
Yes, well, no, I don't believe I have.
Okay, can I get your name again?
Dana, D-A-N-A, Crosby, C-R-O-S-B-Y.
And you're doing the unmanned aircraft general?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I get your birth date, please, sir?
6/25/60.
I'm going to put you on a brief hold, sir.
Thank you. There you go, right at 10 minutes. Got right on through to Sandra.
Dana, can you take out your driver's license and give me your name as it appears on your driver's license?
Sure. I'm also doing a documentary on my adventures of getting my 107. I'm a YouTuber, so I'm recording this. If you don't mind, if I can just use your voice as I'm doing this.
Are you paying me?
I might. I just might, depending on how many views I get.
No problem. Thank you, my boy. That's not a problem.
Thank you. No, it's kind of, it's
Can I get the city and state tour born in?
Yes, ma'am. I'm actually it's New York State license. It is 124.
Wait a minute. I don't need the number. I only need the city and state that you were born in.
Oh.
If you have a middle name.
Okay, yes. I was born in Massachusetts, Malden, and Dana D. Crosby.
Dana D. Is it Dana?
As in Delta, yes.
Yeah, okay. The address is on your driver's license. Is that where you currently live?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I get that
It is
address, please?
3150, Route 21, Wayland, W-A-Y-L-A-N-D, New York, 145.
Zip code?
Go ahead.
Zip code 145.
72.
72, okay. Phone number?
Area code 585 905 8638.
Email address?
D Crosby 004 at gmail.com.
Okay, so dcrosby004@gmail.com, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And you're taking the unmanned aircraft general, correct?
That's correct.
First time taking it?
Yes, it will be.
And did you have a site where you want to test it, sir?
Say again? Oh, yes. Canandaigua?
Site where you want to...
Yeah, Canandaigua, New York.
I can hear you.
Canandaigua, New York.
SkyOp?
Yes, SkyOp.
Okay, the fee for this exam is $150. What day did you want to schedule?
Okay.
What day did you want to schedule for, sir?
Let's see. Do they give them any day? Sundays, by chance?
It looks like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
Ooh, Tuesday,
From 2 o'clock to 5 p.m.
Wow, I'm going to take it down.
They don't give you much of a window.
No, they don't, do they?
No. You want to try another spot?
I don't know if I got it. I don't know if there's a closer. I think there's another one.